Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So we all know that DJI has released a new drone 2 months back, that is DJI Mini 3 Pro. And DJI Mini 3 Pro has very exciting features and specifications. In fact, in this video we will be not discussing any of them. I know that you guys are very curious to know about DJI Mini 3 and to purchase the DJI Mini 3. Even I am one amongst you, and I am trying to get the DJI Mini 3 soon in India. In this video, we'll be discussing about the height restriction that is present in India for nano drones. So many of you guys were asking me whether the DJI Mini 3 Pro has the 15 meters limit in India. As we all know that DJI Mini 3 is less than 250 grams, means it comes under nano category. And in India, for nano category drones, we have a limit of 15 meters. So we will not be able to fly DJI Mini 3 Pro more than 15 meters in India. So the second question that you guys had was, is there any solution for DJI Mini 3 to fly more than 15 meters in India? So answer for this is, currently we don't have any solution for DJI Mini 3 Pro to fly more than 15 meters in India. To make it very clear, for DJI Mini 2 we had various solutions like Dronehacks, litchi, rainbow application. So litchi and rainbow support Mini 2 as it has a SDK released by DJI. As we all know that DJI Mini 3 Pro is a new drone and DJI has not released their SDK file for that drone. So as we don't have the SDK, litchi and rainbow application will not be able to support DJI Mini 3 Pro. And talking about the Dronehacks, even Dronehacks does not support DJI Mini 3 Pro for the current situation. We'll keep you updated regarding the Dronehacks when it will support the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Regarding that, we'll find an update on this channel. So that's it for this video guys. I hope after watching this video you're clear that DJI Mini 3 will not be able to fly more than 15 meters in India at the current situation. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you have liked this video and found this video informative. If you guys found this video informative, do hit a like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.